In this video, I'm going to help you choose between Monzo and Starling, two of the most popular digital banks in the UK. They're both app based, they're both fully licensed, and yes, they both offer free spending abroad. So, what's the difference? Monzo is known for its user friendly design and budgeting tools. You get automatic spending categorization, bill splitting, saving pots with automation, and a sleek, colorful UI. Monzo also offers paid tiers like Plus and Premium, giving you access to virtual cards, credit scores, and travel insurance. Starling, on the other hand, is more geared toward people who want to a do it all bank. You get interest on your current account balance, even on free accounts, no foreign ATM withdrawal fees, and detailed insights into your spending. It's also got strong business account features. If you want slick budgeting tools and a social feel, Monzo might be for you. But if you're looking for reliability, interest earnings, and better overseas perks, Starling could be the winner. And that's about it. That's how you choose between Monzo and Starling. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.